Guys, it's me, LPS Meebug, in a normal time right now. Okay, this is my cousin Jordan.
Hello.
And today we are going to be testing the louar DIY kit.
They can't see me. Give it your face.
The louar DIY kit.
Okay.
Of the special things. This one. This one.
Yes.
This is what we're testing. Okay, so we were not prepared for this. Not even a little bit. No, I don't mean like that. I mean like we don't have this filled up with warm water yet.
Oh yeah, I'll go get the warm water. How much?
Fill it. We're supposed to fill it up to this line. So fill it up to that line right there. Perfect. Well, she's doing that. So guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm sorry I only did the one vlog, but we had really busy. I got sick from staying up all night in a car. And we were just really busy and it wasn't very easy. So yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't post any other vlogs besides the first one, or if I didn't post the first one, I'm sorry, because we were just really rushed and I got sick. So let me read you guys the instructions that it comes with. So first, fill the tray up with warm water to the fill line on the tray. That's a little confusing. Fill the tray up. I'm one of those people who reads half of it and then does that and then reads the other half. So if you told me to fill the tray up, then I'd fill the whole thing up. And then they're like, only to this line. And I'm like, so yeah, I think that could be a little more clear. Maybe have less bad vocabulary. The second step, select your first marbling paint color. So in this instruction it says paint, but then in the note it says be sure not to overmix the dye. Oh wait, no, it doesn't say that. I'm so bad at reading. But somewhere I'm pretty sure it said dye. Select your first molding paint color. So I think we've already done this a few times, so I think we'll do green and red. Oh, it sounds like it's not really.
We have enough natural light. I don't care. I just set it right here.
Try not to make a mess of this place.
I know.
Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm gonna read. We already read these instructions. Wait, don't put them on here. That's for the drying. Ah! That just spilled down my leg.
I can't see it. You want me to video when you drop the dye in?
What?
You want me to video when you drop the dye in?
No. My camera is staying right there. So.
But you can't see it. There.
Okay, you guys can see enough. So.
Thin line.
Want to do that?
Sure. And I'm gonna do. Is this green or blue?
It's green. It doesn't come with blue, which is a flaw On the front, they definitely have blue, but blue is a primary color, so you can't make blue. Not on the edge. Perfect. That's a little too much, I think. Sorry. It's fine. So these are, I just realized these are holiday and Christmas colors, but it's the holidays, so happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate. I only know 2 holidays.
Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's.
I mean, that you could celebrate in this time of year. You know, winter season.
Winter season has what holidays? There's 3 holidays in the winter season.
Which holidays are that?
There are 4.
Which holidays are
New
it?
Year's, New Year's Eve, Christmas, Christmas Eve.
That doesn't count.
Hanukkah.
Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa. I'm pretty sure it's a real thing. It is a real thing. I don't know if they celebrate it this time, but.
Whoa.
It actually looks kind of cool on the back, too.
Yeah, I like the back side.
I like both.
So
Boom.
Okay.
Okay.
Right here.
Now, I actually think we're just going to leave this water in here because it says you only have to change it out 3 to 4,
Can I do
like
yellow?
every 3 to 4 colors. Yeah, we'll do yellow and purple. Wait, no, yellow and green.
Yeah, I like this one.
Let's do them at the same time.
Coming out. Oh, wait, because it's not open. Don't trust myself.
It doesn't do anything.
Check it out.
See, they all come with tops like that.
So don't be an idiot like me. Can I stir this time, please?
Yep. More. 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 More.
You really like yellow, don't you?
Okay, that's good.
Just farted. It wasn't me though. It was
It wasn't me though.
look at
Don't stir it too much though, because it said that'll make the colors muddy. Muddy.
I'm murky.
What?
Murky. I got the dye on my hand because this is going to play. Okay.
Okay. So this is a really fun project to do with friends or family. I guess you could do it by yourself, but that's probably not going to be as fun as doing it with friends and family.
You're getting it on this side.
Oh.
Here's the drawing.
I really like how that one looks. Want to do another one that has green or red?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another green or red. Want to do red again, or do you want to do green?
No, it's the green.
Okay.
I think that the green might be overpowering though.
And then the next one we'll do red and purple again. Okay, don't mix it anymore. I like it like that. I think this is gonna look really cool. Okay, do you want to push down?
Do you go all the way down?
Yep. Okay, and then
Whoa! That one's cool.
it does. Oh, that is so cool.
Back even looks cool. So we're gonna put
Okay, there we go.
that right there. Oh no.
Okay.
Here we have
Wait,
one.
there's another one over there.
Okay, just set it right over there.
Okay.
Anyways, we should make one that's blank.
Blank.
Not blank, but like we mix this together.
Okay. We'll try it. And if it doesn't work,
we
well,
have
too bad.
extras.
Yeah. I think we have extras. But that looks cool.
Yes.
So I think this is a really good kit.
We should do purple and yellow next.
Okay. It's pretty fun.
We have 6 so far because we did one yesterday.
Yes, so we did 2 yesterday. So yesterday we were hanging out and I say, hey, I just got this for a gift for the holidays. So want to use it with me? Want to help me create these things? And she said, yeah. And so we did it, and we loved it so much that I brought it here.
For a video.
Obviously, I did ask her parents and her if they were fine with her being on YouTube. She said she's already been on YouTube.
I have of me flossing on Pi Day. And it was very embarrassing, but...
Ah! You got green dye on it, Jordan.
There's already green in it, so...
Okay. I'll
What if we
give you
tried
that.
doing 4 colors? All 4 colors.
You think that would work?
Yes.
Well, we could
I
try
choose 2 colors.
it. Ooh, this one looks nice.
Ooh. You have pink and yellow. I have purple and green.
Okay. Okay, we need to get more mats, make more space. Okay, I'm gonna steal this one too. Snatch.
Okay, so I've put in the purple.
Okay.
And then now I'm going to put in the green. So okay if I do the yellow. Wait, do you want to
Okay, it does not say this. You have to be very careful with these.
That's okay. We'll take it back.
Once it dries though. Flushy, flushy. So they're very wet, so be very fragile. They're very fragile, so be very careful. I said they're very, so be very
They're very fragile,
fragile.
so we get very breaking.
What?
See how it works out?
Yeah, and we just opened it. That's. And Louar DIY is one of my favorite YouTubers, so I'm not trying to hate on her. I'm just giving you guys the deets on what I think if you should buy this, because
Yeah.
can you mix it in a little bit more?
Sure. But don't you want to still like have it be like really rainbow?
Yeah, but I still want it to be mixed in a little more. Okay, like that. I think that's perfect. But Louar DIY, why no blue? On the cover, it shows that there's blue. And then we have no blue. There's no blue.
Maybe that's the green.
And blue is a primary color.
Whoa.
This one turned a little muddy at the bottom. It's a little...
But it's pretty cool
Yeah.
still. But look at the water. It's dark.
I think I'm gonna guess it is. Which is very dark. Well, I might not use this one. Because I don't love it.
But you don't hate it.
It's okay.
Okay,
But I don't
should
love
we
it.
get new water?
Maybe we should, yeah. We should get new water and we should wash our hands. So we'll be right back, guys. Remember to wash the tray and the little stirry stick, or just wipe it off. Yeah, we'll be right back. So guys, that is actually going to be the end of this video. Sorry for the inconvenience, but that's gonna be the end, and yeah, ciao for now.